how to get Royal Squad Busters emote in Clash Royale. So the Royal Squad Busters emote is one of the most fun and expressive emotes in Clash Royale, letting you show off during battles with style. But since it's a rare emote, it isn't always available, so here's how you can get it. So the Royal Busters emote was first released as a part of a special pass Royale season and later appeared in limited time shop offers. And like other exclusive emotes, it rotates in and out of availability. Supercell frequently brings back popular emotes during anniversary events, seasonal challenges, or community promotions. To grab it, regularly check the Shop's Emotes tab, where returning emotes often appear for gems or real money. You might also find it included in event bundles or as a reward for limited time challenges. So keeping an eye out on shop rotations and seasonal updates is the best way to unlock it. Even if the Royal Squad Busters emote isn't available right now, it will return eventually. Just stay active, watch the shop and events, and you'll have a chance to add this rare emote to your collection. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, leave a comment, leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe.